Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing a home remedy to get a good relief if you're suffering from chest congestion or having cough. This syrup is more effective if you will take it on the beginning stage of your cough. We just need few ingredients which is easily available in our kitchen. Firstly, we need 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Try to use the same spoon to measure all the ingredients. The next ingredient which I'm going to add here is purely optional, but adding this gives a very good health benefit. This is 1 teaspoon of powdered black cumin, which is also known as karunjeeragam in Malayalam. Next we need pepper powder. You can add quarter to half teaspoon. I used to add quarter teaspoon if preparing for kids. Next add 1 pinch of salt. Next we need honey. That's also 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients together. Next we need turmeric powder, that's 1/3 teaspoon. Try to use organic turmeric powder. And now finally add 1 teaspoon of warm water and mix all the ingredients together. Now our homemade syrup for throat infection is ready. This measurement is for 1 day and try to divide this mixture into 3 portions and have it 3 times a day. Try to make this syrup fresh for each day. Do not make it in advance and store. Hope you have found today's video useful. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.